Hello engineers. Welcome again. Grouting is a construction technique that involves injecting a cementitious material, known as grout, into voids or spaces within a structure to fill gaps, reinforce, and stabilize it. This process is often used for repairing or strengthening the foundation of structures, including water tanks. Here's a general outline of the process. Assessment and preparation. 1. Inspection. Begin by thoroughly inspecting the water tank and its foundation. 1. Identify areas where cracks, voids, or structural issues are present. 2. Cleaning. Clean the surfaces that require grouting. 2. Remove any loose debris, dust, or contaminants that could hinder proper bonding of the grout. Grout material selection. 1. Choose an appropriate grout material based on the specific needs of the project. 1. Common grout materials include cement-based grouts, epoxy grouts, and polyurethane grouts. 1. The choice depends on factors such as load-bearing requirements, water exposure, and the extent of cracking. Preparation of grout. 1. Mix the grout material according to the manufacturer's instructions. 1. This typically involves blending the grout powder or components with water to achieve the desired consistency. 1. Mixing can be done manually or using mechanical mixers. Injection of grout. 1. Drill holes. If the water tank's foundation has voids, cracks, or weak spots, drill holes into these areas to provide access for the grout injection. 1. The location and size of the holes will depend on the structural issues being addressed. 2. Injection ports. Install injection ports or tubes into the drilled holes. 2. These ports serve as pathways for introducing the grout into the voids. Pressure injection. 1. Grout injection. Using a specialized grout pump or injection equipment, inject the prepared grout into the voids or cracks under pressure. 1. The pressure helps ensure that the grout fills all available spaces and effectively bonds with the surrounding surfaces. 2. Sequence. Inject grout in a sequential manner, starting from the lowest point and progressing upwards. 2. This prevents air pockets from forming within the grouted areas. Monitoring and control. 1. Monitor the injection process to ensure that the grout is being distributed evenly and effectively. 1. Adjust the injection pressure and rate as needed. Curing and finishing. 1. Allow the grout to cure according to the manufacturer's recommendations. 1. The curing time can vary based on the grout type and environmental conditions. 2. After the grout has cured, inspect the repaired areas to ensure that the grouting work has been successful. 2. Remove any excess grout or injection ports if necessary. Post-grouting actions. 1. Depending on the project, further actions might be needed, such as waterproofing the surface, applying protective coatings, or performing additional structural repairs. Quality control. 1. Conduct post-grouting assessments to verify the effectiveness of the grouting work. 1. This might involve tests such as load testing, crack monitoring, or integrity checks. It's important to note that grouting work can be complex and requires expertise to ensure its success. Consulting with experienced engineers, contractors, or specialists in grouting is recommended to ensure that the process is carried out effectively and safely. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Do like and share. Thanks for watching.